Okay, I just took him out of the bouncy thing. Let's see. Today's the 18th, so he's 4 months and 3 days. He likes sitting in this chair a lot. In fact, he's pretty obsessed with it. We had a second chair that we gave to Angela at daycare because he was looking cross-eyed at the other baby sitting in his chair like, hey, that's my chair, what are you doing? So, you like this chair, huh? You like it. It rocks. Are you going to smile at me like you were a minute ago? That's why I got the camera out. No. Oh, you're still sick. Yeah. Watch this. I don't like getting my nose wiped. Nope. Where's that smile? You gonna cry at me? You manipulating me. If I walk away now, do you cry? But you're fine as soon as I get back. Uh-huh. We watched you do that yesterday. Yeah. See? You're okay. You're okay. Yeah. What's going on? Yeah. You gonna laugh? You gonna laugh? No. What if I tickle your feet? Tickle these feet. You can get him to laugh when we tickle the bottoms of his feet, his tummy, his neck. Yeah. They no fair tickling you, huh? Oh, is this for ticklish? Is this for ticklish? I'm cheating. We're waiting for Daddy to get home so we can celebrate his birthday that was last week. Dad was too busy, though, with school. We didn't get to go out and eat, so we're going to go today. It's a Sunday. Yeah. But first he had to go buy a lawnmower. That was the joys of home ownership. There's that foot. That's enough of that. Oh, you want some more? Say hi to everybody on the internet. Yeah. Okay, that's enough.